Hi, good evening, everyone. Yeah, before starting, I'll start with a fun question. Current market scenario, how will you find a small cap fund manager? I think small cap fund manager, good small cap fund manager. No, answer is simple. You start with a large cap fund manager and then wait. All right, so jokes apart, so I'm here part of the NFO corner, and before that, I would like to thank all the MFD partners sitting here on behalf of my company, the White House Capital Asset Management Company. We are a relatively new fund house, and in our short journey of 2.5 years, so just to give you some numbers, right now we are present in 49 locations across 20 states. Um, we have around, in terms of unique investors, we have around 6.6 lakh unique investors. Out of that, 2.5 lakhs is outside your typical top metros. Uh, we have around 4.16 lakh live SIPs. In again, out of that, 1.6 lakhs is again outside your top metros. So, and as a AUM, we are somewhere close to 16,500 crores in this 12.5 years. And White Oak as a group, we are right now managing around 85,000 crores. So that's a bit about our journey. And again, thank you everyone present in the room. So, yes. So before started talking about my fund, what I'll do is I'll divide my talk into three portions. First, I'll talk about the structure of the product. Second, I will talk about one or two unique things about the product. And the third, I'll talk about which type of customers you can target this fund, or you can take allocation from this fund. Cool? All right. So first, the structure. So I'd like the Rajsa told in the previous listing, it's a fairly old category, very well defined category. So how we are going to do is, our team would be dividing, or whatever the money we are getting in, we'll be putting into 4 asset classes. So these are your pure net equity, then your arbitrage, the hedged equity, then the debt, and then comes the REITs and the InvITs. All right, so this would be the 4th hybrid fund which we'll be launching from White Oak. So the percentage has given the minimum and the maximum across this thing. So how we are going to do is, the equity portion, it will be dynamically managed, the 10 to 40% which I have given. So now how we are going to manage this? We are going to manage this through an internal model, and that model is well explained, tested, proven in our previous the hybrid funds. The same model we are going to use, what we are using in our hybrid funds, what we are the BAF as well as in MAF. All right, so if you're interested, we can later talk about the internal model and all. So positive time, I'll just here. And again, here what we are going to do is, we are going to monitor the allocation, or if you want to do any changes on a daily basis. We are not going to wait for a particular month, or particular day in a month, or a particular end of the month, or any particular bands. We are not going to do it on a very dynamic basis. Again, second thing, we are also going to be very dynamically investing in REITs. This is, again, we have done this in our previous funds like MAF and BAF. I don't have to explain you about the performance, how it is doing. So we'll be taking a significant exposure up to the limit which I've told, around 10% in REITs. Now moving on to the second portion. What are the USPs? USP, like I said, we'll not be having any static set, okay, I'll keep 15 or 20 or 25% equity. Depending upon the market situation, that will vary. Secondly, like I said, we will be taking significant allocation in REITs. So we have a specialist senior fund manager, Mr. Merchant, and he will be managing that portion of the thing. All right, and to sum it up, it will be like a mini BAF, but it will be very conservative comparatively. For example, if the markets are very attractive, let's say you are taking 80% exposure in your BAF. Here, maximum exposure would be 40. And when the markets are very lean or very, what is it, let's say current market, and what do you say, you are taking in a BAF, you are taking exposure up to 30%. Here, it will be around 10%. So like I said, it will be dynamically managed. Now moving on to the last portion of my presentation, whom you can, what do you say, target these customers. First, it would be any investor who is looking for a reasonable return and who wants his investment to go across diversified assets. So why this thing? Because again, we have done this with our other hybrid funds. The risk-adjusted return which we will get in from our portfolio, it will be better than the individual asset classes which it goes inside into the portfolio. So the risk-adjusted return from this portfolio, we believe it will be better than the equity or the debt or the REITs, the individual asset classes which goes into this particular fund. Secondly, it will be for a person who would be looking at a equity tax structure. Third, it is also suitable for a person who wants to park his money for a short to medium term. Instead of looking at a typical liquid or arbitrage, he can look at this particular fund. And last but not the least, we are only keeping the exit load for only 7 days. Suppose that it is load free. All right? So that's it. I think I've covered my 5 minutes well. So I'll be sticking around here. So if you want to further know more about the fund, the model, or if you want to crack some joke about current economy or the economists, be in touch. Thank you, everyone. Good night.